Hello, my amazing spider friends, and welcome to one of the first videos on my channel, Web Weavers. Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to obtain and the basic configuration of Visual Studio Code. It should be prefaced that Visual Studio Code is free to use, or at least all the parts I've used are free. I have had no issues with any kind of paywalls or anything like that. It just takes a little bit of getting used to. But without further ado, let's get started. First, let's start where you can get the download. Simple. You just Google VS Code download. You go to this first link right here, and you can get it either for Windows, Linux somehow, and Mac. And then once you have that downloaded, the most up-to-date version of it, you go into here. And one of the first things you got to do before you can do anything else is get extensions. You have to spell the code spell checker, GitHub Markdown preview, HTML, CSS support. That one's important. I like to have the live preview, Markdown checkboxes, all of these Markdown stuff, Markdown images that you can use images. These are all the basic ones that I use. You can find them pretty easily just by using the search. If you want to do HTML and CSS like I did, it's important to have that there. If you use other stuff in your code for your web page or whatever have you, then that's what you would do too. Is find for example, if I search JavaScript, then it would be something like this. You want to go for the one that has like the most downloads, I think. I've not gotten into JavaScript yet. But that's something I think that we can learn together along the way. Now, I'm going to show you some stuff that I made. This is a website that I made. If you have the live preview thing, you would simply show preview. There it is. They changed the icon a little bit. Yeah, and this is what it looks like. And then if you come over here and click open in browser, it can show you what it looks like in the browser too. Give it a second to load. Bada bang. And this is my website. I'll leave a link to the website in the description below. And I'll also leave a link to where you can download Visual Studio Code. With all that being said, next time we'll be getting into how to actually start the basics of coding this HTML stuff. I'll show you how to do it real quick without having to stress too much about getting it exactly right, especially with the code spell check. And don't forget to leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment if it helped you in any way. And subscribe so that you don't miss another video. Have a good one. Bye-bye.